Happy birthday sa aking amazing Pretty Cup. May God grant all your wishes and dreams and plans in your life. Another year, Pretty Cup, but you're still beautiful. To me and to everyone, of course. Sana po maging masaya ka dito sa ating presentation sa birthday mo. Mahilig ka kasi mag-surprise sa akin eh. So, sinurpresa rin kita. We love you, Pretty Cup. We are all proud sa iyo kasi ikaw po ang aming pretty captain ng Heart and Soul Music Jam. Ano pa bang pwede kong i-wish sa'yo? You have everything na eh. And they said everything na eh. So, ganun daw pagka-pogi finale, di ba? Kaso naubusan na ako ng sasabihin. But anyway, God bless you of course. Sana maging okay ka. Lalo na sa pag-isa mo dyan sa Riyadh. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat. Always take care of yourself. And yung mga medicine mo, kung dapat inumin, inumin. At alam ko kahapon nag-celebrate ka sa mga friends mo. But thank you rin at pinagbigyan mo ako sa request mo na mag-off ka today. Because it's your birthday today actually. This is this is your birthday, June 22, di ba? So dapat lang and you have to spend your time with us. Um nga pala, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the wishes. Hindi po ako nagdalawang salita nung nag-request ako sa kanila. So thank you so much guys. And most especially to my family, to my siblings, and my nephews and nieces. And of course, Heart and Soul members. Thank you all. Alam nyo rin kung gaano nyo ako napasaya. Hindi lang si Pretty Cup, pati po ako napasaya ninyo. So thank you so much. So again, Pretty Cup, happy 50th birthday. More candles to blow and more years to celebrate it with us. So thank you guys. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday again. We love you. Mwah!